Yes, shares dropped sharply after the merger headlines, but that pullback may be a reset that sets up an attractive risk-reward. Here's why calm investors should be curious, not fearful. 21 Capital Inc. is a Bitcoin-native treasury company formed through a business combination with Cantor Equity Partners and supported by well-known crypto and institutional backers. Its core purpose is straightforward: amass and steward a corporate Bitcoin treasury while building plumbing and financial products that lean on stablecoins and Bitcoin-native finance. Leadership includes Strike founder Jack Mallers at the helm, and the firm's early strategy mixes treasury accumulation, potential lending, liquidity offerings, and market access as the primary revenue drivers. The company is coming to the NYSE under ticker Beta 1 as it converts private crypto treasury holdings into a public vehicle that institutional and retail investors can watch more transparently. There are several concrete constructive developments that matter for recovery potential. 1. NYSE listing and de-SPAC progress. Multiple outlets confirmed the planned closing of the business combination and the debut on the NYSE, which delivers public liquidity, clearer governance, and a schedule of market milestones to re-rate the story. A filed Form S-4 and the public confirmation signal that the deal mechanics are moving toward completion, an important technical catalyst for any de-SPAC. 2. Material Bitcoin backing and transfers. Reporting shows large, verified transfers into 21's treasury, including multi-thousand BTC transfers from Tether or Bitfinex and plans for an additional 5,800 BTC infusion. Those moves raised the company's Bitcoin stash substantially and backed the firm's stated model of being a Bitcoin treasury vehicle. 3. Capital and PIPE support. Press coverage cites sizable financing rounds, including PIPEs and raised capital that underpin the listing and provide working capital. A practical liquidity step that reduces immediate funding risk and supports operational continuity. Each of these items is a constructive, verifiable data point that shifts the discussion from headline noise to execution steps that matter for value creation. From a market perspective, XXI sits at the intersection of several positive tailwinds. Institutional appetite for Bitcoin exposure remains meaningful, and a public regulated vehicle holding Bitcoin can attract both direct and derivative flows. The firm's backing and financing activity create flexibility to add to the treasury, fund product development, and support liquidity initiatives like Bitcoin-backed USD lending or stablecoin rails that the market may increasingly demand. The NYSE listing itself is a structural catalyst. It brings transparency, regular reporting, and easier access for large investors. After a sharp sell-off, market expectations can reset quickly once concrete milestones, reserve proofs, additional Bitcoin deliveries, official closing of the merger, and first public filings calls are met. In short, the sell-off may have compressed sentiment and priced in uncertainty. Meeting the next few milestones could reopen upside as confidence returns. Why XXI could rebound? The company is not merely a narrative. It has tangible assets and execution steps underway. A large Bitcoin treasury, visible capital raises, and an imminent public listing create a clear checklist for progress that markets can price. Over the longer term, if 21 executes on proof of reserves, continues accreting Bitcoin, and rolls out Bitcoin-native financial products or lending and payment capabilities, it could capture structural demand from investors seeking corporate-backed BTC exposure. For longer-term investors, the path to recovery is straightforward. Visible proof points that reduce uncertainty and demonstrate the treasury and business model are intact. That is the exact sequence that re-establishes confidence and can support a rebound for XXI. The one-line takeaway: a sharp drop can create a reset, and reset markets when paired with clear, constructive execution. 21 Capital has moved beyond concept into demonstrable steps: funding, Bitcoin transfers, and a path to the NYSE. Those are the milestones that can turn skepticism into momentum. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like and subscribe for more catalyst-focused recovery setups. Drop a comment with the single milestone you'll be watching first: merger close, proof of reserves, or BTC deliveries. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.